Tanan, ako si Tatay Dindo, ni Maymay. And Maymay was my wife's niece. Maymay is our favorite niece. Healthy, happy, and we watch her grow. And to be honest, believe in Maymay, she is bright and cheerful. A very happy child. Now, karon, muna ni. Diyon naman lagi mo. Congratulations. Hours ago, you have received the holy matrimony of marriage. Now, ang aming kapabawan ninyo is ni kanan. Di man nila man ning nga mo, yung undergo na mo. Karon, start na sa inyong journey as married couple. So, kung ito nang binisayo ng married minjo sa